Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, but stay home, stay safe. Welcome to math class, grade 3. At last class, what we seen in chapter 1? What is the lesson name? Where to look from. What you learned from this chapter? Views. So, what does mean by view? To think about something in a particular way. To watch or look at something. So, what are the views you studied in this chapter? Front view, top view, and side view. So, what is meant by front view? A front view is a projection view, a view from the front. So, the car image should be like. And then next, top view. What is meant by top view? Look at something from the directly above. If you look view from the top, the car image should be like that. And then next, side view. What is meant by side view? A view from the side. If you look at the view from the side, the car should be like that. We go to learn part 2 in this lesson. So what is this? Guess. Can you identify? This is a Rangoli column. Yes. This also one of the pattern. So an arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, etc. as a designs are there. So we can say this is also one of the pattern. So what is mean by pattern? An arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, etc. as a design. So look at the pictures. This is also made a Rangoli designs. So the next image, they decorated more colors, then used flowers and flowers. So what is meant by Rangoli? It is an art form in which patterns are created on the floor, on the ground, using materials. What are the materials they are using? Rice, flour, colored sand or flower petals. So why do we do Rangoli? The reason a Rangoli is drawn at the entrance of your house because of its calming effect on a visitor who is just about to enter into the house. The manifest into the vibrations in visitor's mind, putting him at ease, making him comfortable and happy. So, what is the importance of Rangoli? The purpose of Rangoli is to feel strained. It is thought to bring good luck. It's traditionally done by girls or women. Okay, children, now shall we play a game? Yes, I drew a half of a picture. Will you try to finish the other half? Take your rough note and complete it. As the same left side, what is there? You want to make a drawing of the right side also. Yes? Did you finish? Yes. Now the picture is complete. This is called a mirror image. So what is meant by mirror image? An image that is reversed from left to right as it would appear if seen in a mirror, a reflection. So look at here the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So the digits are reversed from left to right. So it is a mirror image. And then next, if I take half of the butterfly, now I will put in this mirror here. It's look like a full butterfly. You got a full image. So this is a mirror image. And then next I take half of the shape. So I will put into the mirror here. You got a full shape. What is this? Like a plus sign. So this is a mirror image. Next, look at this fish and pencil This is a mirror image or not a mirror image? Why? What is the reason? The fish and pencil is not reversed from left to right side. So it's the same direction it's looking. So this is not a mirror image. If you are point onto a mirror, that mirror also point on you. So that is mean mirror image. Okay children, I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework. Complete it. So what is the homework is given? Complete the remaining half of this image. So half of the image is given. You want to complete the remaining half. Next, make your own design rangoli and color it. Can you do it? Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.